How to turn off camera sound on iPhone without muting. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. Once you're here, try to take a photo. You can hear the distinct shutter click sound. To disable this sound, tap on the arrow icon on the top. And then, tap on the live photo icon from the options below. Now, tap the icon to enable live photos. The icon turns yellow, and the slash disappears, confirming it's active. Now, when you tap the shutter button again, the loud shutter click is gone. This method works because a live photo captures a short video clip along with a still image, and this process does not use the standard shutter sound. Following these steps, you can easily turn off camera sound on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.